You are not going to want to miss what I have to say about the spring real estate market. Marry the house, date the rate. Hey everybody, it's Dallas Miller with Breeze Real Estate, brokered by eXp, and I wanted to take a quick minute today to talk to you about the current real estate market. What do we see going on right now? So currently, we are still very much in a seller's market. When we look at the market, we say that 6 months worth of inventory is a neutral market. Anything more than that is a buyer's market. Anything less than that is a seller's market. In January, the Kansas City Regional Association of Realtors showed that we had 1.4 months of inventory. That puts us well into a seller's market, something that's not likely to change for years, let alone months. What that means for you as a seller is that it's a great time to sell. With the lack of inventory, it's a perfect time for you to put your home on the market and possibly expect multiple offers. Get over listing price. We are seeing things heat back up again with the spring market, and again, because of the lack of inventory. Now, as a buyer, what that means, we hear from buyers all the time, we're waiting for the market to crash. That's not gonna happen. We are going to be in a seller's market for some time to come. Sure, if you're a buyer, you could probably wait things out until it became a buyer's market, but we could be talking years down the line, and during that time, you could be gaining a lot of money in appreciation if you just would have purchased previously. Marry the house, date the rate. So one of the things we hear a lot from buyers right now is about interest rates. Yes, interest rates are high. They are much higher than they were this time last year, and we've actually seen a little bit of an increase this year after they took a bit of a decline. When we look at all the talking heads and look at all the numbers and listen to the forecast that we're going to see, we do hear that interest rates are projected to come down in late Q3 or Q4 this year. So basically the end of this year. So now you're saying as a buyer, that's great, I'll wait and buy until then. Sure, you can buy then and get a lower interest rate. The problem is that we have so many buyers on the fence right now waiting to get into the market that when those interest rates do dip, we're gonna have a huge influx into the market. Competition is going to soar for the limited amount of properties, and multiple offer situations are gonna pop back up again. You're gonna be paying much more money for a house than you were if you would purchase right now. You may have heard us preach this back when interest rates first started rising, but marry the house, date the rate. Marry the house, date the rate. Get into that house. You are not set with that interest rate. Purchase now. If interest rates, when they do fall later this year, you can always refinance and get that lower rate. What does this mean for you? Basically what it means, we're gonna be in a seller's market for some time to come. For those of you buyers that are on the fence, if you wanna wait it out until it becomes a buyer's market, you could be waiting years, losing thousands of dollars of appreciation if you would just purchase now. So again, just to beat you over the head with it, it really is a great time to buy right now. Give us a call today if you want to chat about this. We'd be more than happy to talk to you about what your home search looks like, get you set up on a search portal, and answer any questions you might have about the real estate market.
Marry the house, date